Welcome to the lesson on Cardano, one of the most innovative blockchain projects in the cryptocurrency world. Cardano is not just a cryptocurrency, it's an ecosystem designed to solve real world problems, improve scalability, and offer a more sustainable alternative to existing blockchain technologies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. By the end of the lesson, you'll understand what Cardano is, how it works, its real world applications, and why many investors and developers are excited about its future. Let's start by understanding what Cardano is. All right, so the first question is, what is Cardano? Well, Cardano is a blockchain platform, which you can think of as a digital highway for securely transferring data and money. Its native cryptocurrency is called ADA. Here are the key points about Cardano. Cardano was created by Charles Hoskinson, who is also a co founder of Ethereum. The platform is designed to be more scalable, sustainable, and secure than earlier cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps, essentially programs that run on the blockchain without middlemen. What sets Cardano apart is its research driven approach, which focuses on solving blockchain challenges through rigorous testing and peer reviewed academic research. So let's dive into Cardano's history to understand how it became one of the top currencies in the world today. So in 2015, Charles Hoskinson conceptualized Cardano after leaving Ethereum. The vision was to create a blockchain that combined academic research with cutting edge technology. In 2017, Cardano officially launched, and its cryptocurrency called ADA was made available for trading. From 2018 to 2021, the platform underwent major upgrades, including the addition of smart contracts with the Alonzo upgrade in 2021. And if you remember, we covered smart contract in an earlier lesson. That essentially refers to contracts that can be executed automatically through the blockchain. And today, Cardano is one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap and is widely used in areas like education, healthcare, and identity management. Cardano's step by step development approach ensures that every feature is thoroughly tested before it is implemented, making it unique in the crypto space. So here's where it gets interesting. Cardano's blockchain operates differently from earlier cryptocurrencies. And if you remember, when we talk about blockchain, we're essentially referring to the digital notebook that each cryptocurrency has. And it's the process by which transactions that are made, like a payment, are logged into that digital notebook. And if you forgot what we're talking about, I'd make sure to refer to one of our earlier lessons where we talked about the blockchain. So here's how Cardano's blockchain works. It uses a system called proof of stake, which is the same system used by Ethereum. So Cardano uses a system called Ouroboros, which is a type of proof of stake. Instead of miners solving energy intensive puzzles like in Bitcoin, ADA holders, so Cardano's cryptocurrency holders, can stake their coins to validate transactions and secure the network. By staking, when we talk about staking, we're essentially saying that they're locking up their coins temporarily, which gives them a chance to be selected to validate transactions and earn rewards. And when we talk about validating transactions, we're essentially saying that someone, if they stake their coins, like you can stake your coins, so put them up if you hold these ADA coins. You can put up your coins, and as a result, if you get selected, you're the one who will get to add a certain transaction that has been done in the with using the cryptocurrency. You can add that to Cardano's blockchain, and as a result, you get a reward for that. So essentially, it's like earning interest on your savings while helping keep the network secure and running smoothly. So again, the best way to conceptualize this is imagine you have money in the bank and you keep that money in your savings account. Well, the bank gives you a return for that, right, in the form of interest that you get as income. So it's essentially the same concept, but for the crypto markets. So this system is faster, more energy efficient, and environmentally friendly. This separation improves efficiency and makes Cardano more adaptable to upgrades and changes. So the big question is, what makes Cardano unique? Well, Cardano has several features that make it stand out in the blockchain world. The first thing is the scientific foundation. Cardano's development is based on peer-reviewed academic research, ensuring that all updates are secure and effective. The second thing is energy efficiency. Its proof of stake system consumes far less energy than Bitcoin's proof of work, making it way more eco-friendly. The third point is scalability. Cardano is designed to handle a large number of transactions quickly, making it suitable for global adoption. And then the fourth point is real-world applications. Cardano is used in areas like education, healthcare, and identity management to solve real-world problems. By focusing on these areas, Cardano positions itself as a blockchain for the future. Cardano isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's an entire ecosystem with multiple components working together. The first thing is the ADA cryptocurrency. So, ADA, the cryptocurrency for Cardano, is used for transactions, for staking, and for voting on network decisions. The second thing is smart contracts and decentralized apps, or dApps. Developers can build decentralized applications on Cardano's blockchain to create services like lending platforms or supply chain tracking systems. The third thing is governance. So, Cardano is a decentralized platform where holders of the cryptocurrency can vote on how the network evolves. And then the fourth point is staking, concept we talked about earlier. Well, ADA holders can participate in staking to earn rewards while helping secure the network. So, all these components make Cardano a really flexible and sustainable blockchain platform. So let's revisit a concept we talked about earlier, which was staking, and use an analogy. One of Cardano's most popular features is staking. Let me explain it with a simple analogy. Imagine Cardano is like a neighborhood bank, and staking is like opening a savings account. When you stake ADA, or the cryptocurrency, you are depositing your cryptocurrency into the network. The network then uses your staked ADA, your cryptocurrency, to process and validate transactions. Like a bank uses deposits to issue loans. In return, you earn rewards, which are like interest payments from the bank. And the best part of all this is that you still own your cryptocurrency and you can withdraw it whenever you like. Staking is a really easy way to earn passive income while supporting the growth and development of the Cardano network. So Cardano is often compared to Ethereum because both support smart contracts and decentralized apps, or dApps. Here's how they're different. The first thing is around the consensus mechanism, right? This idea of proof of work versus proof of stake. Well, Cardano uses a proof of stake, while Ethereum is transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake. The second thing is around energy efficiency. Cardano's proof of stake system is way more energy efficient than Ethereum's older system. The third point is around the development approach. Cardano takes a slow, research based approach, while Ethereum focuses on rapid innovation and iteration. And then the fourth point is around transaction speed and cost. Cardano is designed to handle more transactions at a lower cost than Ethereum. Both platforms have their strengths, but Cardano is often seen as the more sustainable and scalable option. So Cardano isn't just theoretical, it's solving real world problems today. Here's some examples. With education, you can store academic certifications on the blockchain to prevent fraud. In healthcare, you can secure patient data while ensuring it's accessible when it's needed. Then, with identity management, you can provide digital identities to people in developing countries who lack formal education. And then finally, in supply chain, you can track goods and verify their origin in industries like agriculture and manufacturing. These use cases show how Cardano is making blockchain technology practical and impactful. Like any project, Cardano does have its challenges. The first is around slow development. Cardano's research driven approach means upgrades take longer to implement. In terms of adoption, while it has potential, widespread adoption is still in its early stages. And then finally, in terms of competition, Cardano faces stiff competition from platforms like Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot. Despite these challenges, Cardano's long term focus and unique approach give it strong potential for growth. So, to wrap up, here's what makes Cardano so exciting. It's a blockchain platform that prioritizes scalability, sustainability, and security. Its native cryptocurrency, called the ADA, powers the network and offers staking rewards. Cardano's research driven development sets it apart from competitors. And then real world applications in education, healthcare, and supply chains highlight its potential. While challenges remain, Cardano's innovative approach position it as a key player in the future of blockchain technology. Thanks for joining me for this lesson. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.